she playing with them?
Press the square button.
Oh, square button stops it. I want to keep it going. What you doing, girly girl?
Oops. See, take it off.
That's okay.
See, I'll put it back on there.
No, don't mess with her hand. Just give it to her. She'll grab it.
There
you
she
go.
did it.
She did it. Yay.
Mouse!
Carol Ann, are you playing with your toys?
Are you playing with your toys? No.
Be gentle. Look.
So you like them.
She likes her toys. She thinks they're very interesting.
No, don't.
Thomas, you can't hit the couch like that when she's on it.